Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in today's video we are doing a deep dive into Submagic AI, the popular captioning tool that promised to level up your short form videos in 2025. I will show you what Submagic does, how well it works, and what I like, what I don't like, and whether it is worth for paying. So if you are a content creator making TikTok reels or YouTube short, watch this before you spend your money. Let's get started without any further ado. So first of all, what actually is Submagic? So here you can see the sample over that place and you already understand what actually it is. So Submagic is an online tool that automatically generates caption for your videos, but not just plain subtitles. It adds animated stylized captions that pop, highlight keywords, that emojis, and follow your voice in real time. Basically, it helps your short videos look more engaging, so viewers stick around longer. In 2025, Submagic added more templates, custom fonts, and AI-powered editing tools, which we will see in actions. So who use Submagic? So if you are wondering who actually use Submagic, it's super popular with solo creators, YouTubers, TikTokers, coaches, and small businesses who want viral short videos without spending hours on manual caption in Premium Pro or CapCut. A lot of people compare it to tools like captions.io or Descript, but Submagic is more focused on short form content and stylized text. How you can use it? It is really easy, but before that we just need to create an account. So when you are new in here, you just need to search submagic.co and you will land it in here, and then you just need to click over that place, create free short, or if you have an account you just need to click to the login. Once you click over here to the login, then you will land it to the dashboard. You just need to click over here to create an account, just click create for shorts. So here actually you can see we already landed in our dashboard, but actually when you will come over that place, like let me give an example, just open this one and paste it here, and here actually you can see you just need to click over here, create free shorts. Once you click over here, then they will tell you to create your account. So you just need to provide your address, then you just need to give your password. The password must contain 8 characters, and then click to the sign up with email, and it will redirect you to the here, and they will ask you to verify your account. Then you will get the email on your mailbox and then verify it, and you will now able to use the Submagic platform on here. So let's talk about the feature over that place. So here actually you can see that Submagic have couple of features which is really relevant right now. Like they provide like create dynamic caption in a second. This is the caption one. Then you will have magic clips, like create viral clips in one click. Then AI video translator translate caption globally. Then here you have the sound effect, image, and many more as you see. So how you can use this Submagic option in here? So alright, let's look at how it really works. So step 1, you just need to upload your video file right inside Submagic dashboard. So how you can upload it? You just need to click over here, generate captions, or you can choose this magic clip, get clips from long video, or if you use to the generate the captions, you can go with this one. Just click over here, and then you just need to upload your video over that place. Let's choose any of them. So I will choose this one and let's upload it, and it will take a couple of minutes to upload here. Then here you will find out 2 options. One is language, so you can choose any language, like the translation, which kind of a language you want to translate. So you just need to choose it. I will leave it into the English. Then here you can choose multi-speaker theme, like different colors for each speaker. Like someone making broadcast, they can choose this one. Like here I only talk, that's why I'll choose this one. This will disable. Then I'll click to the generate captions. Once I click over here, then it will take a couple of minutes to uploading. So from that place, as you can see, that Submagic AI is working. Your video will ready in 1 minute 7 seconds. So the AI automatically transcribe your speech and generate caption in just a few seconds, and then you are allowed to pick a style template. There are dozens, from classic bold text to colorful word by word highlights with emojis. Then you can edit any word, change colors, tweak fonts, adjust timing, and export in the right aspects ratio for Reels, TikTok, or Shorts. It is a drag and drop easy and it works right in your browser. So here you can see highlighting important words, then emoji already been created, then generating caption with AI already done. Now it is creating the captions animation, so it will take around 22 seconds. So we just need to be keep patience here. So let's see how the result will be arrived. And here actually you can see that result already been arrived. Let's choose the aspect ratio. If I click over here, this is the aspect ratio. If I select the original, then I will get this one. So let's play and hi everyone. And here actually you can see that our transcript already been generated. So this is so tiny, so I just want to increase the size. So how I can do it? I just need to be click over here this customize panel. Once I click over here, now I can change anything from font to the color. So I will increase the size high, the size will be this, and you can change the font color also. You can stroke size medium, then change the shadow will be none, it will be good. Then you can display word will be 8 words. Then you can add emojis or you can remove this one. I don't want any emojis, so I'll click to the no. Then you can punctuation, you can on it. If you fail to on, you can add it. Then you can add auto emojis like top or none. It's totally depend on you. Then you can add gap free captions. Just click to the yes, you will get this one. Then you can break lines if you want. Then let's go to the edit captions. So here you can edit these captions. Like if you click over here, this one will be disabled. If I click again, it will be disabled here. So here you can find out the problem and then you are allowed to fix it here. Like you have these options to fix these things. Like you find out that this text is not okay with my voice. I think I speak something else, but the AI give the wrong spelling, so you can change it from that place. You have whole authority to change anything from that place, and this one AI generated. And here you can see this red button means these are the, like it is a 50-50 chance to accurate. Then here you will get the option to change. If I select this one, let's select this one and let's change the font. I'll make it big. Here I will remove the emojis. I don't want any emojis. Now let's play the video. Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in this video I am going to talk about Taylor brand's pricing in 2020. So here you can see that our all these text subtitles is working perfectly and it's matched with our voice so much perfectly. It is very much compatible with this one, but you can see we can change, like we have this option for the colors also. If you want to change the stroke colors, you can change it. So here we have couple of two options, the trim and the b-roll. So if you want to do anything with this one, you can go with this trim, and I don't want to do anything, so I will leave it this way. So this is a quick demo how the platform works. So let's try to save it. Like click to the export. If you click to the export, it will be exported in your desktop. So here I will click to the export and then I will click to the export. Like if you are using the free plan, then you are not allowed to remove the watermark. With the watermark, you just need to be exported. Just click to the export and it will be exported. And now let's talk what's good about the submaging. Here top pros, that is fast and accurate. The AI transcription is surprisingly accurate, especially for clear audio. Then trendy styles. The animated captions really do look professional. You can match what you see on viral TikToks without advanced editing skill. And then easy to edit. Changing color font or fixing word is way faster than doing it manually in other editors. Then support multiple languages. If you are creating content in other language, Submagic support lots of them. Then export options. It exports high quality videos without weird glitch. You can choose different formats for different platforms. Time saver for creators who post daily. This tool saves hours, weeks. And then what I find about the bad thing about this Submagic platform, what I don't like actually. So there is a limited free version. The free plan is super limited. You will get watermarks and very few export. To use it seriously, you will need to pay. Then browser based only, there's no mobile app yet, so you have to use your laptop or desktop. Some creators want to caption on the go. Then heavy files, for long videos the rendering can be slow, you will need a good internet connection. Then style limitation, while they have many templates, you cannot fully design from scratch like in After Effects. You will still working with thin preset, so it's great for speed but not if you want ultra custom branding or animations. Then let's talk of the Submagic pricing. Just search for the Submagic pricing, and let's see here. Alright, so how much does Submagic cost in 2025? Then they usually have 3 or 4 options, like free plan, then pro plan and team plan. So here you can see there is a starter plan which around $12 per month, and free plan limited minutes per minute watermark videos. Then the pro plan costs $12, and for unlimited export then you will get HD quality, all templates on no watermark. Then have the team plan, like the promotional, it will be good for the agency. So if you are making lots of short form videos for your business or clients, the pro plan is basically a must, and it is a way cheaper than paying an editor to do caption manually. Why should use Submagic? So solo creators, like who should use Submagic? Solo creators who want viral style caption fast, then coaches and personal brands posting daily reels or shorts, then social media managers making lots of short form edits for clients, then small business that don't want to hire a video editor yet. If you make long YouTube videos, you probably don't need Submagic, but short catchy clips, it is one of the fastest tools out there. Alternative to consider, let's talk about, are there alternative? Yes, the biggest ones are caption.io, Descript, or doing it yourself in CapCut. Caption.io is similar but has more mobile first feature. Describe is better for long videos and podcasts. CapCut is free but takes well longer if you want dynamic caption like this. You do it manually. So Submagic really shines when you want speed plus 10D style without advanced editing skills. Let's give you the final verdict. So it is Submagic worth it in 2025 if you are making short form content every day and want viral caption without spending hours editing. Submagic is 100% worth the monthly cost. It is not perfect, but for saving time and boosting watch time, it is super solid. I will drop my Submagic link in the description. If you want to test it for free, check it out and see if it works for the style. If you found this review helpful, please like this video, subscribe for more honest AI tools review, and drop your questions below. I read every comment. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.